Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting now? Plug your modem into its power, then connect the primary Google Wi-Fi unit to the modem with the Ethernet cable and power it on. Open the Google Home app on your phone, sign into your Google account if prompted. Once done, enable Bluetooth and location so the app detects the unit automatically. This immediate detection saves time and avoids manual SSID entry. Make sure the LED is steady. Green means ready, and proceed to add the device in the app. You'll now configure the network. Follow the Google Home prompts to name your network and set a secure password. This creates your primary SSID for all devices. Once the main unit is online, add secondary Wi-Fi points in the app and place them about 1 to 2 meters from the primary for initial sync. Later move them to final spots for coverage. Allow any firmware updates to finish. These updates improve performance and security, so avoid power cycling during this step and wait until the app confirms completion. Finish by running the mesh test and speed test inside the Google Home app to confirm coverage and throughput. These diagnostics show where to move points for better signal. If coverage is weak, place points higher and away from thick walls or electronics. Once adjusted, rerun the tests. If setup fails, reboot the modem, then the primary Wi-Fi unit, and try again. This resolves most DHCP and provisioning conflicts. As a last resort, factory reset the problematic unit and repeat the onboarding process in the app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.